In this example, just like a regular absolute value equation, I want to take care of anything that is outside the absolute values first. But is there anything outside the absolute values? No. So we are ready to split it right away. But here's the big difference. I'm going to solve it for what it says already, greater than 8. I'm also going to solve it for negative 8. But I'm going to flip the sign and make it less than because I switched it to a negative. That's the same thing as dividing or multiplying by a negative. And when we do that with inequalities, you flip the inequality sign. So I'm going to solve for greater than 8, which it already said, and I'm going to solve for less than negative 8. So I have my 3t plus 1 is greater than 8. I have my 3t plus 1 is less than negative 8. Solve them both the same way, starting by subtracting 1 on both sides. So 3t is greater than 7. 3t is less than negative 9. Divide by 3 on both sides. And often you get that one of them is a fraction and one of them is a whole number, and there's nothing wrong with that. So t is greater than 7/3, or 2 1/3. T is less than negative 3. If you were asked to graph this, which you aren't always asked, but if you're asked to graph this, you just graph both of them together on a number line. There's 0 and negative 3 and positive 2 1/3, or 7/3. Neither one of those is underlined, so we have empty circles. Less than negative 3, so it'll point left. Greater than 7/3, it'll point right.